Okay, so who actually understands what they're asking for when they go to have any type of waxing down here? So if you was to have a basic or high leg bikini wax, you can do that with your knickers still on. So this area will be completely covered, and a basic is literally this area here up to your bikini line, where let's just imagine you've got a pair of big knickers on. Any hair that is on show there will be removed, whether that goes halfway down your thigh or not. Now, a high leg bikini is removing all the basic, but it's also removing anything a little bit further in. So imagine you've got a thong on and the thong is here. This area will be removed as well as nipping in just a little bit more so that if you was wearing a thong, no hair is on show. Of course, you can have a bikini wax only. You don't have to have a Brazilian or Hollywood. Now, for those that don't know the difference, this here, now this is your belly button, and this is your thighs here, and this is your big knickers. Now, if you've got big knickers on and you just want a basic bikini, we're just going to remove anything that comes out on show around the edges here out of your knickers. Now, if you didn't want a basic bikini, your next option is a high leg bikini, or what some people know as an extended bikini. And let's just say this is your belly button, these are your thighs, and here is your thong. This is a little bit more nipped in, so you're going to see this area here. So not only are you now just going to remove the basic area here, which you just done previously, you're now going to remove a little bit extra that runs along here and here. Does that make sense? Hopefully. Natalie, you'll be fine whatever you choose. These ones, you have your stuff on, but if you want a Brazilian or a Hollywood, you remove any of your stuff at the bottom. And you are going to have, if you're having a Brazilian, a landing strip or a section of hair, whether that be more triangle, more rectangle, here on the front pubic mound. If you're having a Hollywood, you're having all of it removed. Hope that makes sense. Fingers crossed that clarifies for anybody that is concerned or not knowing what they're going for. If you're not sure, speak to the person that you've booked in. They should be able to explain what you're having done.